Hey everyone, so I'm here to do the last look of the Starlux collection, which is the neutrals. I thought maybe I'd have a chance to do it last week, but my brother was coming. I haven't been able to give my house a cleaning because of my hand, and me and the kids, we just went to town and cleaned the house, and it took me 3 days to clean. Then I had to cook on New Year's Eve when my family was coming, and by Friday I'm still in pain. I'm still in a lot of pain. I can't find my hand wrap, so so I did put up my Christmas movie, even though I was embarrassed of you guys seeing how much weight I've gained. You probably noticed already, but anyway. Alright, so I use Benefits RSVP on my lids. I'm gonna use this color on my lid. Ow. My hand's extremely sensitive from cleaning. I just did the best I could to clean with one hand, but you know, sometimes can't avoid using it, your other hand. Alright, so this one's called You Better Recognize. Almost sounds like a Hispanic person. You better recognize. Oh. Okay. I just relaxed New Year's Day and trying to keep a positive outlook for this new year. Oh, I'm using that dark brown. This is the only one with 2 glitters in it. I already learned my lesson. Those dark highlighters don't work right. So I'm going to use this. Creme Brulee. So I already learned my lesson. These glitters you need to apply with your finger. So I'm going to put this on my lid and that on the inner corner. Wow, that feels nice. Now, I'm gonna try and do that with a brush because my fingers, since I have deep set eyes, my finger's too fat to get in there. So hopefully this will work. Okay, so let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used this orange color, Get Cheeky, from the Bold and Sexy palette. And I used this highlighter, and OMG, I can't use orange highlighters. They're too dark. Like, maybe for the summer, maybe for the fall, but yeah, that highlighter makes me look like I have a sunburn than I'm highlighting my face. And because it was so dark, I did use the little stars on this side. Yeah, I had to use the stars from this side. Yeah, that just was too dark. And then I used Honeymoon lip gloss, which is really pretty. It looked like a straight up gold when you put it on. It's got like some pink sparkles. So I liked it. I liked it a lot.